and they took it personally, basically, because they think that they're custodian, they own the land in South Africa. So that's when they started Zuma must fall, your safe SA and everything. And remember that when they called for Comrade Zuma to stand down or to resign, petrol was very low. They said petrol is high. Today petrol is higher than when Jacob Zuma was a president. But they are not calling for anyone to step down. It was the first time the white people were marching all over South Africa. It was the first time in history. Ask yourself, what made them to march? Because they undermined the marches, because they were a thing for black people. But they went out, they marched in numbers because they wanted Comrade Jacob Zuma out of government. You ask yourself for any sound black person, African, who will agree with people that march against Comrade Zuma, then he's lost. If a person is hated by people who have been your enemy, what comes to your mind? In an event, you'll agree with people that hate Comrade Jacob Zuma and knowing that he's hated by